Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. This saves time and avoids interruptions. First, put the Xuv700 into ACC or on so the infotainment is active. Then, on your Android phone, enable Bluetooth immediately. If you want wireless Android Auto, also turn on Wi-Fi and location. If you prefer wired, plug a good USB-C cable into the phone and the car's USB port. Once done, make sure the phone stays unlocked and on the home screen while the system detects. Now you pair and authorize. This is where permissions matter. In the Xuv700 screen, select Bluetooth settings and tap Pair Device or the phone option. The car will broadcast a code. On your Android, confirm the code matches and accept the pairing. Then grant contacts and call history so hands-free calling works. If you're enabling Android Auto, the phone will prompt for auto permissions. Accept and choose Always or Allow while using app. Make sure the car shows the phone as connected before proceeding. Finish by testing key functions. Place a call, play music, and launch navigation to confirm the link. If using Android Auto, open the Auto app on your phone and verify the car interface appears. If not, unplug and replug the USB or toggle Wi-Fi. If the system fails, restart both the phone and the Xuv700 infotainment, then attempt pairing again. As a single troubleshooting tip, try a known good USB cable. Many connection problems stem from poor cables, not software.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.